You drive into a car wash. Dirty car goes in, shiny car comes out, and you think, this must be easy money. Water, soap, machines. People line up, cash flows in. But here's the truth. Car wash businesses look simple. But behind the foam and water, there's a serious economic game going on. So how do car wash owners actually make money? Simple. Customers pay per wash, $5, $10, sometimes $20. And if 100 cars come in a day, that's $500 to $2,000 daily. Sounds crazy profitable, right? But wait, that's just revenue, not profit. The real costs. First, land. A good location is everything. Busy road equals more cars equals more money. Bad location means empty machines. Then, equipment. Automatic machines cost $30,000 to $100,000 plus full tunnel car washes. Cost hundreds of thousands, even millions. Then, water and electricity car washes use a lot of water and powerful machines, which means high bills every month. Then, maintenance and supplies. Machines break, parts need replacing. Soap and chemicals never stop. The real business model. Here's the secret. Car wash owners don't rely on one-time customers. They rely on memberships. Unlimited wash plans. Customers feel like they're saving money. But most don't come often, which means owners get money every month, even when no one shows up. Psychology trick. Ever notice this? Basic wash equals cheap. Premium wash equals best value. They design pricing, so you pick the more expensive option without realizing it. The biggest risks, weather rainy days, which no customers. Competition. Too many car washes nearby, and profits drop. Debt. Most owners take loans, so even if business is slow, payments don't stop. One wrong move, and profit disappears. So, is it a good business? Yes. If done right, a busy car wash, in a great location, with strong memberships, can make thousands per day. But a bad location, high costs, or low traffic, and you're stuck with expensive machines and no customers. Final thought. So next time you see a car wash, don't just think, easy money. Think of business balancing costs, psychology, and timing. And the real question is, why do some car washes make millions while others shut down?